Hello everybody, my name is Shruti. Welcome back to my channel. It's another day in Goa. That means another vlog on your way. So I'm on my solo trip to Goa and I'm here for a month. I have made several videos already. You can check those videos out in order to plan your solo trip, and the stay and everything is sorted, guys. And especially for the girls, I'm telling you, if you just watch this video closely, you will get to know how to figure out the ways to stay alone and still travel to the most of the places and get the most out of this trip. So today I'm gonna take you guys along with me for a Savri Waterfalls. It's around 35 kilometers from Patnam Beach where I'm staying right now, and for this I'm not traveling alone because it's a wildlife sanctuary and you got to trek also, and it's not safe for going solo. I'm too excited for this particular waterfall and I really want you guys to stick around till the end to know what exactly I'm talking about. If you have seen my face for the first time, then please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with today's vlog. The moment you walk a little inside, you will get this signboard, and there's literally nobody around me right now. Happy kid. So the Savri Waterfalls is inside the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. At the gate, you're supposed to pay 100 per person, and they will be charging for your camera gears if you carry anything. It's 100 per person, but no charges for kids, of course. And you're not supposed to carry any of the alcohol. If you do, you can let them know in the advance there only, so that they will just keep it with them. And once you return, they will be handing over your alcohol back to you. But if they find out that you're carrying alcohol inside, then you cannot get it back. Plus, there are charges applied. So make sure that you guys do not really carry anything if you're traveling this side, especially alcohol, because if we are going somewhere like the hidden places like this, make sure you guys just go, enjoy, come back without making this place more dirty. Yeah, make sure you guys just keep it as clean as possible. I've been traveling since 2 weeks in this South Goa. I see so many places are so beautiful, and end up seeing trash which people just throw without thinking about who's going to take it up back, right? Whenever I see the trash, I make sure that I just clean it by myself, because it's Mother Nature and it's not good to really harm her, right? So make sure you guys do your part whenever you see some trash. So that's the beauty what I'm talking about. I cannot zoom in, but that is like Savri Waterfall, and I'm supposed to get down from here in order to reach that place. Excited! Let's go. So the trekking down starts from here. You can see there are small steps going on. That means trekking down to to the Savri Waterfall. Gotta be really careful because the excitement is real, but इसमें थोड़ा भी पैर इधर उधर हो गया तो सीधा हॉस्पिटल को जाना पड़ेगा. So be very careful, guys. Whoa, it's beautiful. See? Wow.
A few minutes later.
I'm too close to the waterfall. Just making me feel so happy, yaar. Like literally. So many people are like, Goa is been so commercialized, but I think people should explore the South Goa also, because it's beyond beautiful. And if you don't visit South Goa and visit this, waste. So I'm almost down. That means the trek of 270 steps is done. And that's where you know, okay, how beautiful it is. You will just get to see it in next clip, right? Just check this out. get some cinematic mode on. Hello. So seeing you guys after 2 or 3 hours, like who keeps even track on the time when you are in such a beautiful place? Okay. So I took a little good risk in order to get inside the water, get the best beautiful shots for you guys. So pictures and videos will also be up on my Instagram. Then if you are not following me over there, I think you should do it. Can you see the rope over there? Beyond this rope, if you go, it's very deep, and there are guards over here always guiding every single one, keeping an eye on every single person because it's very deep. Okay, and when I spoke to them in last 20 days, there are more than 10 deaths happened. So you gotta make sure that you be really careful whenever you're getting into the water. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out any of the videos from my end. And thank you so much for watching. This is me, Shruti Shidling, signing off as of now. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, sanitize, devil mask, and take care.